This is a video on how to export data from ADM, Assessment Data Manager, into ASEBA-Web and ASEBA-PC and ASEBA-Network. ASEBA-PC and ASEBA-Network have the same exact process. So I'm going to start out with ADM. So please go up to Tools, Export Data for Analysis, Export Data for Analysis again, and click Next. Then we would name the file that you want to export. I'm just going to leave this as raw data 1. You need to select the export file format as CSV. The scored data file name, you can fill it in if you were doing scored data, that's up to you. I'm going to click Next. Also, before I click Next, the C ADM export is where the export file will go to. So your C drive ADM folder to the export folder. And click Next. To export the entire database, don't touch anything on this window. If you want specifics for your data, then you would choose what it is you would like on all the columns. I want the entire database, and I'm going to click Next. And here it says, how many individuals you have, how many forms you have. I have very little here, so it's going to be very quick. It's just letting me know the export folder, where it is, the raw data, what's the name of the file. I'm going to click on Export. And now that it says Finished, you can now exit out of ADM. So just click the Exit button. I'm going to minimize the program and go to ASEBA-Web. So this is ASEBA-Web. You're going to go up top to the Import Data tab and click on Import Data. You're going to choose the second one, ADM CSV, from the file format, and click Next. You can then go and find the file, which is going to be under the C drive, the ADM folder, and the export folder. Click on the file, it'll load, and it'll have the name right here underneath the tab that says Select Files. So here it is. Then you click Next. And you can choose what directory you want to put it in your ASEBA-Web account. I'm going to leave it at root. If you have created directories ahead of time, you would have them listed here in the drop-down. I'm going to leave it at root and click Next. And here it's going to say that basically you're not going to be charged for importing. Only get charged e-units when you choose to score the imported files. And then you click on Start Processing. And then you click Save. So now the imported file will be over here on the left underneath the root directory. You can expand the folder and you'll see the assessed people in there with their forms. Okay, now I'm going to go to ASEBA-PC. So this is ASEBA-PC. You'll go up to the Import Data tab as well. Do Import Data again. You will choose the ADM CSV file again. Click Next. Select the file. Once it adds the file, then you can go Next. I'm going to leave it at root again. Click Next. And here it's going to say the file looks good and is ready to be imported. Just click on Start Processing. Click Save. And the file again is over here on the left. The name of the file and the date and time that you imported it. And you can expand that folder and you can see the assessed people in their forms. And this has been a video on how to export ADM data into ASEBA-Web and ASEBA-PC and ASEBA-Network.